morning. This time be ready for another sketch. Hotel Espléndido. Played by Susana, the receptionist. And Luis as the tourist.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Hotel Espléndido.
Thank you.
Good heavens! Look at that!
What? Look at what?
Your shirt!
My shirt?
Yes!
Do you like it?
No!
No.
No! It's horrible!
I beg your pardon?
But for you, it's a good shirt.
Thank you.
Because when people look at you, they look at the shirt.
I know.
And if they look at the shirt, they don't look at the shorts.
What?
The shorts are really horrible.
No, listen. I didn't come here to be insulted by you.
Ah, you want someone else to do it. Hey, George, come here for a minute.
Stop. Look, I want to book a room.
Book a room?
Yes, a room. Have you got one?
What? A book or a room?
A room! Have you got a room?
Yes, it's a big hotel. We've got lots of rooms.
But have you got a room free?
Free? No, you have to pay for it.
I mean, with no one in it!
I don't know.
Well, can you have a look in the book?
Pardon?
Yes, have a look in the book.
Sorry?
A look in the book.
Okay. I've had a look in the book.
And what do you think?
It's a nice book.
Well, have you got a room or haven't you?
Okay. Yes, we've got a room.
Good!
A single room?
No good. I need a double room.
Oh, yes! For you and your shirt.
No! For me and my wife. She's arriving this evening.
Okay, yes, we've got a double room.
Good. How much is it?
How much?
Yes.
Okay, it's about this long, about this wide, and about this high. Yes?
Not how big. How much?
Ah, how much? 10 pounds.
10 pounds.
Yes. 10 pounds for you, 10 pounds for your wife, and 50 pounds for the horrible shirt.
50 pounds for the shirt? That's ridiculous.
It's a ridiculous shirt.
Now you listen to me. I don't like your attitude.
And I don't like your shirt.
I'm going to complain to the manager.
Ah, she's not here.
Where is she?
In hospital.
Oh dear. Did she have an accident?
Well, not exactly. She had dinner at the hotel.
I just like to say you are the most unhelpful, the most unpleasant, and the worst receptionist I have met in my life.
Thank you very
That's enough. My wife and I are not going to stay at this hotel. We'll go and book a room at the hotel next door.
Okay, I'll see you there.
Pardon?
I'll see you there. This is my last day at the
What?
hotel. I lost my job this morning.